the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and most merciful. My name is Asam Mukhtar Chima and you're watching Bahawalpur TV. In today's video, I will discuss how I successfully planted a Gul-e-Cheen cutting and key steps which I followed. So if you love gardening tips, then do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like and share the video. So let's get on with today's video. First and most important thing is choosing the right cutting. I selected a healthy semi-hardwood cutting from a mature Gul-e-Cheen plant. Here are the key points to remember while selecting the cutting. Length should be around 6 to 8 inches. There should be 2 to 3 nodes present on the cutting. A disease-free cutting increases your success rate. Time of planting is very much crucial. I have planted this cutting during the month of February because temperatures are moderate, so stress on the plant is minimal. Avoid during extreme heat or cold as it can damage the root formation and initial growth. For the soil mix, I use simple but effective combination. Garden soil, sand and compost. This combination ensures good aeration, proper drainage and adequate nutrient supply. Remember, water should never stay stagnant in the soil. Otherwise, cutting may rot due to fungal infection or any other issue. I planted the cutting at around 2 to 3 inches depth. After planting, I pressed the soil around it. Water lightly to settle everything. Here is an important tip for you. Water lightly at this stage. Soil should be moist, not wet at this stage. Now let's see some practical visuals of that successfully planted cutting. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts and questions in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.